Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a McDonald's gift card in the application in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to launch your McDonald's application, then simply sign in into your account if you haven't already. Afterwards, on the home page, simply tap on this more icon in the bottom right hand corner. Now you just have to tap on the option of My Account. Here in the My Account section, you will see the option of Payment Options. So over here you are going to see the option of add payment method. Now based on your region, you are also going to see the add gift card option over here. So you just have to select the option and you need to start adding your gift card number and the PIN. However, in most of the regions, including United States, the R cards manually generally cannot be permanently added as a mobile payment for the app orders at this time. So instead, your gift card is usually best used in the store, at participating restaurants, and where manual gift card payment is supported during checkout. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.